told Jefferson Circuit Judge Mitch Perry that he can move forward with Zedan Racing's request to lift trainer Bob Baffert's ban from Churchill Downs.
That advice frees up the judge from a legal pause Churchill Downs filed under a different Kentucky law. Wave News reporter Mark Stevens says this means there's still a chance Zedan's horse Muth could run for the roses.
Yeah, this brief but very dense hearing could have scratched Zedan's efforts to temporarily lift Churchill Downs' ban on Bob Baffert, at least during the course of this case. The judge was basically told he can sort through Churchill Downs' other legal claims as it tries to dismiss the case at the same time as it considers whether to temporarily lift the ban for the Kentucky Derby. That opens up the possibility he could find Churchill Downs overstepped when it extended Baffert's ban last summer. Now, this case appears to be unique in Derby history, coinciding with the historic 150th running. We also learned just how much effort Baffert and Zedan Racing Stables made to try to resolve this privately.
Bob Baffert reached out to the president of Churchill Downs and said, can we talk about this and try to solve this? After that happened, throughout the next few months, Baffert and Zedan Racing Stables were in communications with the chairman of the board of Churchill Downs, trying to find a way to resolve this, but made no real progress. At the end of the year and the beginning of the new year, the owner of Zedan Racing Stables, Mr. Zedan, called Bill Karsanjian multiple times and left messages, but got no response in an effort to try to resolve this. In January 2024, Baffert and Zedan, they dropped their respective appeals to the Horse Racing Commission with the idea and the understanding that if those were dropped and if that was going to be a peace offering and there was going to be a way to move forward here. We didn't move forward then.
The judge said he will issue a written ruling. He waffled a little bit on when he may rule. He said today it'd make him until early next week. Now, the absolute deadline facing Zedan Racing is next Saturday at 11 a.m. At that point, Muth has to be entered and on the grounds at Churchill Downs to run in the Derby. Mark Stevens, Wave News.